What off what go?
They'll get at the estate.
It's
The complex are worrying. They don't want to accept that they are junior.
Everybody mute. Me pa talk. If I wait just talk, so me talk.
The population of Esan land today, any trade of Busa Wuya, that is the problem we have now today. Because any trade and ignorance or worrying. That is why Martin because Miani Bune Uwabon. Iye ma we. Most of them wa me we yani wa gwan vi gwe ni no wa gwan bodo mini. No one would mean they are the cause of problem of Esan land. So honestly, ya wa mia iba gbangbenia because unyin yan ma.
Pare mo ba ge Esan ni wa be do. Iya nyiwe ni maje. Ma be ni wa mu odo. Yani wa gwan vi gwe ni. Ovie no.
Inya misbehave na ya misbehave ya taleme. No ma ya giyan even I'm not tamia because my haseti exactly regbe my haseti how work by my hinia this had already boy man be do
Anya nania I want you want to that
so no genya me bani iya mo buy me no pa oga je be spawe oga ye pa buru mi ba ona ye pa buru mi ade do oje we mu gboto no obagima ewe paro no bi ma ya pare ba ni we oya mu gboto no give ani ade ba so okay I will never forget kini akayo rion but ya pere ya be social media when so why pere be social media na the
ya e pa ya they know what they are doing. All they are the same.
So yes.
It's time. That some ONGs from Mesa be coming out to educate.
Mommy, me pa just talk because I take one ba. Egwi mommy la wo. Omo we go no dia ke no. Ma fi omo we go you on no dia ke no ma.
No, that is just it because in my work akabo when my wa taba na mo no wa we dey toto we dona kill because abona etebite ya be ke ma le. They would left from home. We are correct here now because we are still continuing not correct even sir. Because you we have a real life. And so what we have real life. The way we possess now the social media, they possess it. They are possess it. So here my why am I there? Especially that Uromi. No wa we go no we that Uromi wa o we ba na city we in that power there boy what you interview now because Kuba carry my fire me matter the water o ma ga go egwan o we ya no we where you from o wa from Uromi we wanna zuwo when I interview with there when I interview with there what am ya you are from a those state out of your way now what's you are from Uromi.
My brother, don't cut you short. Wait.
Hold on. Don't cut like that. Hold on, or I will drop you. Let it talk. I want to go down to the
He's still talking. I don't know. He's still talking. Giagwa.
I tell you, I interview when then wait way you know where those states and what's that approach you where I know where they why are you Nigeria where you are from Uromi why hey be matani no say you are from Uromi you are from a those state then I want to know where in the those state when you Uromi by here I didn't quit
oh, Baba.
Oh, this is the confusion. So, honestly, not here. In here, Castle Bar. Honestly, not in the church by. Because I see a lot of them. This is what they are doing. They will tell you. For me, where are you from Nigeria? Oh, from Uromi. Now everybody knows Uromi.
My brother, let me correct that statement. He's right when he says he's from Uromi. But he cannot go to an interview or here a visa where from Uromi. He will always say he's from those states. But when he's introducing himself to an individual, he has to say where he came from. He's very right doing that.
No, they still they do the same thing also.
He's very right doing it, yeah.
Yeah, they still they do the same thing.
Yeah, I'm not a bias. I was just saying the way it is.
Yeah, the first thing, me now,
but when I go to interview, I go to places not that important. I will say I'm from Edo State.
For me, I'll tell you that.
Individuals, I will tell them I'm from Benin.
First of all, when they ask you,
but you are a princess.
They ask you status. That is.
Prince and princesses.
So I know why you correcting him because Mama
Mila, it's your turn.
What I wear from Uromi. Where Edoyaje, a young father of a time where when one lana, no one near what fear, near what I gbé, near what I gbé, near what I say to you.
Police talk.
All those things, they are sick.
So where should I have where was it where one lana no near what fear for near a state of here. I without Tony I will shake then shall we another big say.
Okay. Oh yeah, 20.
We are so near no what do now that name Bini no what come out now you are mad. So my advice because why life for I know them.
They will never be another state. What did they do? So when they go meet Igbo, then they will become East. Esa Igbo. I
don't go with them.
Igbo.
Their character is very dirty.
Esa Onyamiri. What we here about us? Anywhere I go, when they are telling you, yeah.
Because we human dog. Human more yet be. We're more yet
Patrick, introduce yourself.
And anybody talk here.
Good afternoon, my brothers and sisters.
Introduce yourself.
I'm from Edo State, Abisan.
You are welcome, but not insult anybody. You are welcome.
No.
I don't listen. Hold on, guy.
Okay, you let her talk now. You let her talk.
Okay, hold on. Who they talk for this?
We are all in it here.
Please hold on first. Hold on. Okay, hold on. You are welcome.
You are like my job in this one.
Okay, welcome. Now my platform, not tell me nice stuff you shout.
We are not telling you not to end your views or your whatever, but please don't insult anybody and be respectful.
If you agree with what we
respect
say,
yourself and respect you.
person not still insult me.
Okay, listen.
I will not insult
I know this guy. I know this guy. I know this guy. I don't see on the video where they do why my boss here fooling mama.
It's okay. Okay. Ernest.
Sir, now good afternoon.
Ernest, you know what talk. They talk say make another shot for person. I wanted to tell him that you introduce yourself in my platform. I welcome some people. We are here. If I say something, you disagree, you will say it. Then you will show me the reference. I will go and research it. That was what I was going to tell him. You said I'm shouting on him. So
no, sorry, sir. The way
don't pass.
People were that were attacking it was more. That's why I said it should have.
They did not attack him.
Why I said so.
He didn't say anything, so we cannot attack him. What did he say? That we will attack him. We didn't attack him, and that's not true now.
As the host, you should
talking with our respect. You would respect the host. when you come.
So, Wage, go on, make it up now.
Now, good afternoon. You see, okay, first of all, I'm from Edo State, I'm from Esan. So, you see, one thing we should know, one thing we should know. If we have to like say all this thing, we should say the way it is. Are you getting it now? You see this guy that is all that is saying something just now. The mood you are saying something, you don't even need peace in this matter. Your tone and your body language, the way you are saying something.
Yes, I don't want peace. You know why? I don't want peace.
Okay, you wait now. If not let me the talk.
Why don't you there? My brother, I ask you question.
Man, listen. The way, man, listen. I never see you in person, but the way.
Damn, Epa. Where you going to then where after me, I went to near and look. What am I don't know. Oh, God on here.
Have you seen us even cursing? If it were to be those miscreants of Esan here.
I take me a weapon. I not go get respected because of our matter, but I just corrected him. Even you got corrected weapon, Ernest.
Like that.
We are here too near Lord. Don't even when we are you wait no say I your paper don't you who move way.
Okay, you mute me now so that I should not say something. You mute me now so I should not say anything. You mute me.
If you don't talk well, we don't take nonsense. So we are Antiochioba here. Antiochioba. So you go talk well, talk now. What do you have to say? We don't first insult people. So depend on what you are here for, what you are.
Mama, listen, okay, all this that you people are doing now, are you people trying to make peace or maybe you people are trying to escape?
What are we doing?
We are making peace and we are talking about as in we are preaching the history. We are telling it to your ears. So your ear when not the hear what
No, but I said that history.
Then you know what it be history. Boy. Lily no yes no when we are talking here you people preaching peace. Here I got your video body.
That condition they use.
What's who
Mama, me o take am easy, sir. Me o take am easy. No be so. I don't tire. Your body dey hot.
Yes.
Take am easy.
My brother, you
You
You fit fight am for social media. You fit fight am. Take am easy.
Oh,
I will not be polite here.
oh, why you dropping here?
Hello.
Oh, please, just hold down here. Just talk to them. The man got a wetter. Hold on.
Mojane.
What I wanted to ask. Hello?
Yeah, Wabuta. Wabiwa.
Yeah, I think no banner where. What are we doing?
Because I was on the Gwana, go on the corner, on the Guanyola.
Okay.
Tuwa Ebiski, Wabiwa.
Domo.
Ebiski, Manawi.
Okay, Uji, abo here.
What it say, Ibinibi, Wabiwa, or Westin, when I see me, Usiredu.
Okay, sir.
Domo, lie right, Domo daddy. Domo, go here.
Yes, sir.
Let's create the different. Let's show the different. There's a way you can express your grievances without being loud, without being authoritative. That will show your difference between them. And then you understand?
Akwe no so ni me but be ya gwa ba ni wa me calm down any ha me yeye me ka yeye na dia ni ha o ma change person be me kina.
Hold on, let the power talk. Please, too, because of time.
Ibi away le gbe ya to lo ma ya to le ke gbe bolo to la ho oko
Yes, sir.
le do bi sa o fi agbon la wa gbegbo o le mo gbegbo ase nothing no uma be na thing a be Why you but any voice ya too much
Your daddy. Who are they? Yeah, so we are going to be ready. Yeah, what's the bring what tell me down. Also, I might trust you.
Apa la de platform ma wa go o wa de wa tinye su e ma wa moyi so na apa tinye so ye do ta ka platform ma wa tinye obi ye wa mu nwe ri malaja na wa moyi but ene se do be la mo se wa de la dia o ti ni wa dolo o ni egbe tinye bua wa si be no tenefu now no la Iwa ruwe ni me pa agwe go maka o si
Domo daddy, correct bro.
Iwa me go no we agbe na I'm very happy.
Kakabo. Iya wa kakabo busy egbe pa. Ni awa hi. Be ni asin egbe se. Inu pono kian iwa gwan kana. Esa he wo iya he we.
But we are video so.
Don't work at yeah,
right. But the more I really I have your mobile so we see what I be more people, but I be here. I am one wrong. Wesi na go na dia abiomo abihwe so wa la ri yin video
ebuwa mu boto baba ebuwa mu
ne pa ke o go wa ke pa to ke fo na wa be ta I la o ni
pa go na
wo ma ni ata ba
never please
so no buwo abiri no buwo chinu ebi wa abi lugi nejo bi gbebe ya la to condemn most of this talk that yan did by me no back high in a fan so wala ho eri yani abi lugi eri yani so abi mano gbe strong salad ya eri yani ya ka pa wa tia abi ma u don ni e bi kan fi no man ro no my giai you know I might not get going to but in that platform where they're getting, but in my one see what are they?
Okay, now quarter at table you.
What daddy? When no see daddy, when no see baba, and we no see Ugbo so here wabe, ima igba yan. Buda we no bia muke, or even no more. E so wabe here ka agwa, as a me wa fear me fua, and then here afifua. O wa do bi jeve ma, o se anabe. Mano bia muke ba me ni mamu ya e. Here no muke ya hin. E so ba.
Even though we are tell me where you were.
Ba me nuta re igbo baba. Mada bu.
Call after Baba no Guana. Okay, go on.
Omanya, mommy, let us do it. Let it who is speaking next? Baba, who you so my own wetter. God bless you, sir.
Please, walao. Never me now understand the topic in a walao. A man at a story ban, a man de on back the comment section. Even if you special when waro lao lao, I meet a man go allow. Never me now understand.
Yeah, no talk to me.
I love you. Thank you very much.
Son of Osagio is Epa, Mr. Uyi. Are you done?
Epa true.
Epa true, ne? Epa true, ne?
Ni gege gwani tour. Why go adomo?
Yes, I did that go.
Wa domo avera me vigile, wa domo. Mekawa we vioni asis de. Ara we tire wa we otien mahin. But ave no zoom down ro na ya vioni ya. But na la o na ya biyan. Iya me ni ya o. Wala o otien ma yin. wala wo wala era je wala wo wa ya biya wala understand it na opa ma yehin e kopa makere ya wo bono ya gbe na we agbomo be ya si ekegbe lawo wo pa ma yehin wala
mommy let her love lead. Are you me across let fit don't want to cut man can go to your side.
Wala wala
Yes sir.
Ni ya tefiri evede sagede kan. Ni ya tefiri.
Wa bebe na gesa.
Wamato wa gari opa yo wa egui abi ba me ni ba bi je me ni ya ala wa gui o wa ge ma bege ana we edo ami bi na ya gi edo wa ge usun se so na ya ga ze mo yiwe ya na mo egbin ya yidin ni wa bun no ro na ya bun gbe na ami kare wẹ́rẹ́ mi ò yẹ sànà ọ̀rẹ́ làdúkùn bá náà yà tẹ̀ gbẹ́nu wà níbi ẹ̀dọ́ tara ọ̀nà yà ta wẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ àmì èrò náà yà gbẹ̀ tó pa ọ̀wẹ́ ọ̀wẹ́ tó dọ̀mà ọ̀wẹ́ kù ẹ̀ náà máa mọ̀ tàn án lóhùn o tó pa ìmọ̀ máa náà bí ẹ̀rẹ̀ ní níwọ̀n ẹ̀ta ẹni wọ́n ti mẹ̀rù wà mí mú dẹ̀ ẹni wọ́n ẹ̀rẹ̀ níwọ̀n nisu gwakpata anagwuhegwa inawoma ọkọ no igbibiarie so pa gwegwa ya aguza no tinye aboto wa la awowo do yesa no ya se gbo yesa no gwa la jo wi egwa le pisi o agi aladukun bodo ni e ata we stop this ibi adome nu zomo o salobo adebawa e ko no salobo ya wima e ko na ma bi aji agbon bi abe dabi agbon bi abe edo ma ayebe lare e ko na ayebe mure o salo bo no fi agberi edo me ya ni bo wa ke me ogi oba ba o una ga ogi oba una gbisa yebo na o ki hin enu e iba bo la ki oba u da le lo ogi oba
Amania inye yogi ma o Fosa 2 minutes we want to close 2 minutes.
Okay, Damosa. Here we baby na kai. Okay, internet now. You know why that internet is another government.
Okay.
So now to make the whole place is more difficult for the kings and the rulers to govern. So, I mean, anything Matawana is going a long way to affect. So nala onadi okote anything ata. Ira me oye do no, ije me oye sano. So it's anything bedo edo etik bisa.
But when we're every Matasinia, he's still talking about unity.
Yeah, when I continue with the unity.
God bless you. God bless you.
So Nani Matawana na eko kakabodi na we abona ni kata banwe abona itebite because mami we social media imagine ina ave imon ma bebie no gide toto e kan ga worship ya say so one say na kakabodi interest we at time e mo no roto to ma ya be bega won so e be da e da area dana emi we ahi avani kaune e mo be kima we e da be di maga atabega ni be when TikTok iladia, that with TikTok here forever. Because we are again now 2005, 2006. There is nothing like this. So now people are learning from TikTok and outside TikTok. So okay, kakabo jeme, we na China, we na Diana. If you do, no way one day to tell you we are where we ma China idoji.
Thank you very much. Let's see.
Okay.
Ti mana no gwa keke wese ri oba keke e na ka we ne bo kakabo aladia unda oge ni ya e bajo e babie do bu gbe na ni san na gi go ke so that money we nwa de ya fe yen bia ihe me na ta
ya mi ke da e wa mi obe ba re do wa ato bi jo ami obe ba re do
na
itu wa ya brother elegosa wesesa enemy atawo brother elegosa la wo because science tree was one mommy been waiting but most of us me ma on when I Mr. Kola I not here agbe A Facebook okay was one take fake history. Anybody no lad no do take correct one. Na nia e TikTok yen full time wari no they are doing kero. La wo de no ya lad ya na no do anye so no raw because any night too much everybody will not take away matter no. Hey streamer no dio adoyakin no keka we na one okpa makin are working second one. We understand na history ni time no you say because history
Yes, sir.
when I get history and a brother I go anybody if you history I want to hear but I ogun bono again now again I said the record straight I want a time on je ki ogun be understanding na our tie say the read even utie atie crowd you know I understand. We understand it.
No problem. Teacher me
please. Okay. Where's it?
I can talk for 24 hours. I'm a teacher. I have a degree in education in Uniben.
Okay. So, because me like come and no one history kakabola wo